name's Kit. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make the green smoothie that I've been making for the last about year and a half. So let me show you. So the first thing I add is milk. You can use a milk alternative if you like, and I add about 200 mils, so about there. And then after that I add a fruit. I don't have any bananas today, that's what I usually add, but sometimes I also use blueberries or strawberries, so I've got some frozen blueberries here. So I just probably add about, maybe about 15 or 20. I just kind of grab a handful. And then some baby spinach. So I use either baby spinach or kale that I have frozen and I add into my smoothie because I want to eat more vegetables. So I'll probably add about 1 or 2 handfuls of it and I kind of just squeeze it into my smoothie. And that is part 1. The next thing I add is my protein powder. So I thought I'd talk to you about protein while I'm adding the powder in. I just add about 1 scoop or 1 heap scoop. Protein, you might be wondering how much protein you need. It's actually a very difficult thing to talk about or like work out exactly. So the research shows it's about maybe 0.3 to 0.4 grams per kilogram per meal. So that's, I guess, a good estimate. I'll link a study down below as well that you can read. But there's so many variables about determining how much protein you're having and even what type of protein you're having and what are you having it with. But about 0.3 grams to 0.4 grams per kilogram per meal. So absorbing is fine, but what the bottleneck is that it gets into our intestinal wall, and that's where the bottleneck is. The protein can't get through all of it all at once. The other things that I like to add is I like to add some chia seeds. So a little bit of that. Again, it's just a bit of estimate, and it's pretty much how much I can fit into this little container. And then some mixed nuts. So I've got some macadamia, pistachio, walnut, almond, cashew and Brazil nut. Just a few of those, so probably like 6 or 7. And then I like to add some pumpkin seeds. So about a tablespoon of those. And flaxseed, a tablespoon of those. And then some rolled oats, maybe 2 tablespoons of those. And I like to add some maca and also some cinnamon. So with cinnamon, I just sprinkle, maybe it's like 1 or 2 teaspoons. And with the maca, I need to get a spoon. Hold on 1 second. With just a small spoonful. This is a very strong flavor, so add a tiny bit if you've never used it before. And then it's time to blend. So just put the thing on. And I just blend it for about, I think 10 seconds or until it's smooth. And then it's done. And it's ready to drink. And just as a tip, this is what I also do during the week just to kind of speed up the process. So I've got a container here. It's got 4 little compartments, and then I added all my bits and pieces all into it. So I just do 4 scoops of protein, and then this will last me 4 days because it's already made up. Got that. Again, my chia seeds. Just a bit of an estimate, about a teaspoon each. A bit of mixed nuts in each of them. A bit of rolled oats in all of them, just so that you can keep you full for longer. Got some good fiber there. Some flax seeds. Some pumpkin seeds. Some maca. just a half teaspoon or maybe even a quarter teaspoon in each one, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And that's done. So that would last you for about 4 smoothies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you get to try it, and let me know what else you add in the smoothie. Alright, catch you next time. Bye! Hi everyone, my name's Kit. This week I'm going to make my green smoothie. So follow along with me. So this week, yeah. Oh, oopsies. Okay, give that again.